Alright guys, yeah, welcome back. Straight to the point, the continuation of where we stopped in the last video, which is the previous video regarding the setup of our custom API website. Alright, now we proceed. Okay, then we already logged into the admin panel of the site, whereby we stopped in the setting up of the API. So I will actually log into the admin dashboard of this particular website we are using for the sample. Alright, now, so having logged into the site admin panel, already loading here. Now we proceed to the admin dashboard of the site we are using. So now here is the admin dashboard. Then now we go straight to what the API setting, because that's the only one. The all other part has been explained in the previous video, and then now we have only the API setting left. So now here is the API setting. Then as you can see, you will have the API cable based on the services you want to connect it to, you want to vend. We have the cable API, we have the electricities, we have the exams, then we have the recharge card API, then the airtime, that one's for other general, then the airtime phone. Also, my network is somehow slow. Okay, it's still coming up. Okay, however, anytime that one comes up, so then we move to the next one. Okay, which is alright, now loading. Sorry, close. Oh god. Alright, this general setup. Now here we are in the general setup. So as explained earlier, that we already have some configured sites, which include the top up meet, the N3 data, then legit data way, Abbas tech, and the likes. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have already 8 ready-made API, ready custom API. Mind you, for this particular script, you can use any type of API. You can connect to any type of API of your choice. So that's that for it. Then now, let's say we want to connect to anyone, and we have to what? Let's do the practical aspects. And let's say we want to connect to which one should we use as an example? Okay, let's use top up meet. As an that we are using top up meet now, so we have to what? Search for the particular site, which is top up meet. Top up meet. We have to search for them. As you can see, top up meet. Don't know. Already loading. Then as a new user, you do not have accounts with them already. That means you need to what? You guys register an account with them. That means you partner with them by registering one account. Just have to work everything straight, one after the other. Then for the registering, because of the registration, you input the details one after the other. Then just have to put something here for the sake of this tutorial. Yeah. Then the email. Right. Proceed. And then just input any state. Then your password. Oh my god, 48074 09048607405. Alright. 09048647405. Then you set your transaction pin. Let me just set something. Then if you have anyone that refer you, you proceed with the referral code. Then if none, then you proceed straight forward. Click on processing. Alright. Now we have our account active. So here is the dashboard, VTU dashboard now. As you can see. Okay, which type of network is this? Alright. What are we looking for? We are here to what? We are here to connect to the API without wasting much of our time. Just go straight to the business, which is click on the menu here. Click on the menu, then you click on the pricing. Sorry, pricing. So these are the network ID which should be needed. That's where these are the network ID you input in the place that require the network ID in the other video. Then, as you can see, check through the networks. The networks available. Then for their data plan also have the network ID. As you can see. So if you are vending from this particular website to your own website, you need to what? Your network ID has to be the same thing with the site you are vending from and your own particular site. The network ID needs to be in line with each other. They need to be in line with each other to avoid error. And then to avoid sending to other networks. So as you can see, check the network ID of Glo, check the one of MTN, check the one of 9Mobile, check the one of Airtel. And then the same thing applies to the cables subscription also, which is the cable TV provider. You check the provider, then you check their the cables plan. Anyone you added to your site, you check their plan, you check their ID. Then the same thing applies to the electricities. You check their token, the examination as well. You check everything to be in line, like everything all has to be in line with each other in order to avoid what? To avoid error. Now go straight to our profile. Okay, which type of network is this? Right. Okay. Since this site. Okay. Sorry. Alright, since top up meet did not have access to it, did not allow users to configure API on their site, so we have to move to another site. We guys move to another site. Let's use another one as an example. Then we move to, let's use all these names here. Okay. Let's use this one. Sub. Just have to type the name here so I should be able to copy it. Then we open another browser. Okay. Alright. This particular thing that actually shows here is called Google My Business. To make your business visible for all your users across the globe. Anyone that just search your business name will be able to locate it. So that's the work of Google My Business. It's also available, included in our services. They are available. you can kindly check the comment section to have access to it. So contact us so as to help you with it in case you need it. Then mind you, any site you are using the API, you just register. Just let's do something. Okay. Okay. Then you click on and I agree. Then you sign up. Successfully register, then we log in direct to our dashboard. Right, here we are. This is the dashboard of the site. As you can see, this current account which we just open now is currently in Smart Sender package. So now the main reason why we open this account, why we create this account, is to vend services from them, which is to make use of their API. That means we need to what? We need to contact the site owner, we need to contact their support so as to upgrade our this current account to API users. So you can easily do that by clicking on what? This WhatsApp icon. Click on it, then it will refer you to their WhatsApp, to the customer support on WhatsApp. Then you what? You have a chat with them, and then they upgrade your account to what? To API users. So that aside, that's that on how to what? That's that on how to change your account from end users accounts to API users. And then now we go straight to the business, which is the use of the API. So click on the menu, then you go to what? The developer API. As you can see, sorry. Okay, 5 digits. Sorry. Right. Okay, go to developer API. Then you click on what? As you can see, my authorization token. So as you already registered, then you have your own authorization token, which is your own API key. So just copy it. Once you copy, then you go to your own admin dashboard. Here. So the place that's required, that says the place that's requested for the API key, that's the code that you copy. That's what you'll be pasting there. Then you select this the particular site, which is this one here. Then the API key also, you paste it here as well. Clear the one available. Then you hide it. Then the API, the cable TV API URL. So how can we get the cable TV API URL? Come back to the particular site. Then you go to their here's the public cell. Okay, you click on the app documentation page, so it will refer you to the app documentation page. Which is Okay, that's where you get your public key. So now what do we need here? We need the cable API. Okay, cable API URL. Yeah, we need the cable API URL. Now just click on the top, then the cable. Okay, buy cable and get all transaction. So now click on the post, buy cable. That's where we get the API URL. As you can see, here is the API URL. Just click on the copy icon opposite. So I've already copied it. Then when we paste it, sorry, it has been configured already, so no need of copying the cable. Just insert the site direct. Just click on the site and then you insert it. Then it will what? You already set it up because the site link has been configured already in the name. So the same principle applies to the other packages. Then the same thing applies to the airtime one. Same principle applies to the airtime setting. Then the data, which is the one of the MTN and the likes. So the same principle applies. So that's for the API setup. Then you click on what? You click on update details. So mind you, if you are dealing with anything under this general, you have to click on the update details. Then after that, you move to the next one, which is the airtime. Once you're done with that one, you move to the next one. Then you move to the last one again, which is the data. So that's that for it. That's how to go about it. Then if you still need more explanation, you can check our previous video on how to set up the custom API for the one made available before. You can check it for better understanding. Now, the question that come to every user's mind due to the topic we tag the video is how to set up your custom API irrespective of the site you are vending from. Right now, so here we are to go straight to we have to go straight to our database. Now we already log into our cPanel. Having logged into the cPanel, then we go straight to phpMyAdmin. Sorry. Okay. phpMyAdmin. Okay. Now here we are. Yes, the database of the site. Then we have to enter the database direct, which is the n cache. The database name was tag n cache, not the one with WPO, the normal n cache. And then to add the API, to add another site API, we have to go straight to API link. So as you can see, these are the list of sites available. These are the list of the site which was already configured, which has been configured. Each site has their own setup for each services. There is one of wallet, which is the normal wallet balance. Then there is one for airtime. There is one that we have the one for data. We have the one for cable. We have the one for cable verification. They want to verify the user's rightful owner. Then there is one for electricity verification. Then there are some for electricity, which is the normal one. Then we also have for exams, so and likes. So the same principle applies to other services. So now to add any one of your choice, so just to make it easy, so to start with, we are starting with the normal creation of the user's own, which is just click on the copy from the number one. Just click on copy. We are making 8. We have to create 8 services. We have to make 8 services available for each users with each keys we want to add again. Copy. Right. Already click on the copy. Then we just change the name. Let's say okay, new life. Yeah. Then you input the URL. Believe by now, before you can decide that you want to event it from any site, you should already know the site URL with the site name. So just input it here. After that, then you click on what? After the inputting, you just click on go direct. Click on go direct. So that's that for the users. Then we have to move it to the next one, which is the setting up of the airtime. So you click on copy again. Then you do the same thing. Erase the name. Then do the same principle again. Paste the link. Okay. Okay. Paste the link. To make it easy, make Google copy. Then you click on go again. Wow. So that's that for the second one. Then that's how you get to set everything. From 8 phase, we're already done with 2, so it remains 6. Then I believe by now you should be able to set up the remaining 6 yourself. Alright, now to confirm it, let's go to our admin dashboard, which is in the option of the airtime. The airtime, where's the admin dashboard? Then the airtime. Then click on the services. As you can see, it's already show new life. So that's the one. This is the one we just added. So you just input the key, the API key, which you copy from the particular site, from this site key, the key you copied from this site, you copy it and you paste it here. Then the other one, you do the same thing to the other one also. So that's it. Then let's go back to the general. Let's see if it actually reflects in the cable. It did not reflect because of what? We haven't added it. That didn't mean we already added it, it will reflect. But because we haven't added, so that's why it did not reflect. So that's how to go about the adding of a new API site. Just first you have to log into your cPanel. Once you log into the cPanel, then you go straight to phpMyAdmin, which is your data to access your database. Then once you access your database, that's where you go to the API link. Then you add the new API link you want to add. So that's how to go. That's the simple logic on how to go about adding of any additional site for any site you want to rent from. Yeah, thanks for watching the video to the very end. Then if there is any question, don't hesitate to contact us. The WhatsApp number is available below. Then if you need any guide again regarding the VTU setup, you can go straight to the previous video available, just flash back to it. Then the main site we are talking about, yes, the interface. Let's log into the site so I have the view of how it is. Yeah, here we are. So this is the site interface. As you can see, we have the option of airtime, we have the option of data, we have the option of cable TV, then the electricity, then the education pin, we have the one of transaction whereby you can view the histories. Then we have the option of pricing whereby you can view our pricing. Then you add funds, then you have the normal profile, then you have the contacts, then you have the agents, and then you have the logout option. So that's it. Then our customer support is also active on the site whereby you can just click on the WhatsApp icon, then it will refer you direct to our dashboard, our support dashboard. Then you can ask and make any inquiry, and then we are here to guide you, always available 247. Yeah, thanks once again.